So today I'm gonna be recreating one of my looks, and if I can, I'll insert like a picture like over here or something of the look. It was like a really festive look, and I did it for our pumpkin patch that we went to. And of course, I have my mirror over here, which you can't see. And I don't know if you're gonna hear the show that I have on the background as like background noise, but if you do, I'm sorry. So like right now, I'm just gonna prime my face. I have moisturizer on. I put it on before I started. And I'm gonna do things a little differently today. So I'm gonna start off differently today. I'm gonna actually start with my eyebrows first, which I never do, because I wanna try carving them out. And we'll see how that goes, because if I don't like the way that it is to carve out your brows, then I'm just gonna restart. By the time you guys see this video, I think the video I'm gonna post after this is gonna be a video with my pig, or like a vlog including my pig, so you guys can get to know my pig, because I find her very interesting. Not just because, you know, she's my animal, but because she's a freaking pig. Who the heck has a mini pig as a pet? It's a pretty good brow. I'm gonna try to carve them out now, see how that works. Not gonna lie, I'm a little scared because I've never done this before. I have a couple brow hairs that I want to cover out. So let's see how this goes. I don't know how I feel, but with that, I'm gonna use the leftover concealer to prime my eyes. And then I'm gonna blend out the little bit of concealer that I put at the top. I know it looks a little weird now, but I'm gonna put foundation on, but I'm actually gonna do my eyes first because that look had a lot of fallout, so I'm gonna do that. They actually don't look that bad. So right now I'm just gonna set my eyes with this color right here. I know some people don't set their eyes, but I like it. I'm not into that new like leaving your concealer wet and then patting the color. So I don't know, I feel like it doesn't work for me. And I didn't set my eyebrows yet, just in case any color or anything gets in them. That way I can take it off. So next, I'm gonna take this orangey color right here, put that in my crease. This is gonna be my transition shade. I'm sorry if you can see my mirror. I've never done my eyes before my face before. See how that goes. But my favorite part of that look was the faux freckles and the little stars that I did. So next, I'm gonna take this like reddish color over here. I'm gonna put that in my crease like a little lower than the transition shade. I don't know if you can see like all the fallout. That's why I like to do this eye look first, for that reason. I'm gonna go back in with my transition shade just to blend in those two colors. Now, this is kind of the hard part. Not really hard, it just takes some time. So I'm gonna take the darkest red in the palette and I'm going to slowly like pack that on my lid, just to build up the color. Now I'm just gonna blend that into the transition, the crease color, and then blending that. That's how it looks so far. Kind of like a sunset eye, I guess you can say. So now I'm just gonna do that on the other eye. I'm just putting a little more on the other eye to intensify the color a little more. So I'm just gonna clean up all the fallout. I'm gonna add the stars like after. So now I'm gonna move on to do my face. Now I'm just gonna move on to concealer to then bake. That's a little light. Go ahead and blend out my under eye. Alright, I'm just gonna set the rest of my face. So now I'm going to contour my face. These are mostly the same products that I used in the last video. So I'm not gonna put them on the screen, I'm gonna put them in the description box. So that way, in case you didn't see the last video, you'll see them. And I'll put it in the exact order that I'm using it in. I'm gonna move on to blush. Also, I have a question for you guys. Leave me some really good products that I should try down below. Like, if one of your favorite products that you think I should try out for like my kind of skin tone, definitely leave it down below. That way I can take some of your suggestions and maybe do it for a future video. I'm going to set my eyebrows now. Now I'm gonna move on to my lower lash line, so then I can start my highlight. So I'm gonna first start out with the darkest color that we used and put that closest to my lash line, kind of connecting it to the top so that there's not a gap in between. So then I'm gonna go ahead and grab the second red that we used and use that to blend out what we just did. I'm not bringing it that low because I don't want to have like pink eye. It look like I have pink eye. I'm just blending it out a little bit. So now I'm gonna highlight. Now I'm gonna highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. Now I'm gonna set my face so then I can do the stars, my lashes, and like a little bit of liner, and then do mascara. Okay, so I'm gonna do the stars. Those are the stars. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of liner and my lashes off of camera. So these are the lashes on. So I'm gonna put top and bottom mascara and then set my face one more time. Alright, that's how it looks so far. I'm gonna set my face one more time to then put my lips on. Actually, before I do lips, I'm gonna do the faux freckles. I've only done faux freckles once, so what I learned is you have to like put it on your face and twist. I feel like that's the easiest way. Like that. And make sure to do like different sizes. Like some smaller ones, some bigger ones. I know it looks a little dark now, but what I do is I just like lightly tap them in so that they can blend in a little more, so that they're not as like dark. And not gonna lie, I completely forgot to highlight my nose, which I'll do after this. But yeah, do as many as you'd like. I only like a few, like on this area, because I feel like it looks a little more natural. And if you see some empty places, just add a little more and blend them out. They're pretty cute. So now I'm gonna highlight my nose and then do my lips. Alright, for my lip, I'm just gonna use my favorite gloss because that's also what I had on in the picture. So yeah, this is the final makeup look with the faux freckles, the stars. Let me know what you guys think about this look down below. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this little tutorial and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.